my God. Holy crap. That was the scariest thing I've ever encountered in my life. Like, holy... Is there a bird in my... Is the bird in here? Like, what the hell just happened to me at 4,500 feet in the air and not being able to see out the windshield? I couldn't freaking... Holy... Okay. Like, am I okay? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. But I just flew with no windshield. And I think there might be a freaking bird back here. Or maybe he is somewhere else. But he decided to break my freaking windshield. And his blood is on me. That is the most disgusting thing I've ever done. And it's not easy to fly in the dark at night without a windshield. It's hard as hell. Wow. Okay. I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Holy fucking shit. Nobody's here to save me. Paramedics are supposed to come, make sure I'm okay. But, oh my God. Holy crap. That was super scary. That was super scary. That was so scary. That was scary. Dude, that was scary. There's a feather. Oh my God, there's feathers everywhere. In my poor little plane, there's glass or plastic. There's plastic. There's plastic. That hit me in the fucking freaking face. And I flew with no windshield. With 160 true on the speed. Of course I slowed down. Had to find a runway. I had to keep it together. The bird. It's not funny. This is not funny. This is really scary. Where the hell is anybody to help me?